morning. Welcome back. Time is 6:47. Time for your look at weather and traffic on the 7s for your Labor Day Monday. Now, hopefully many of you are taking advantage of a restful day, maybe watching from in bed this morning. Now, we are starting off rather comfortable, so if you haven't stepped outdoors, very calm conditions right now. We are seeing a whole lot of clouds, and we are still hanging on to rain chances. Now, good news, we are no longer under that ABC-7 first alert. We are looking at weaker rain chances than what we experienced this past weekend. That being said, Labor Day still hanging on to some rain potential, so if you have those outdoor plans, definitely keep in mind we could see that pop-up storm. So carry that rain gear and definitely plan accordingly. Now, our current temperature, 72 Las Cruces, 73 El Paso. Temperatures are going to climb from here, but they're going to rest about average. So not too far off from where we should be, just slightly below actually. So El Paso, we are expecting a high of 89 today. Las Cruces, we are looking at 85 for your Monday. Now take a look at our Doppler radar. We are seeing a whole lot of activity, but this is just south of the border. So we're actually not tracking any of that moisture really crossing over to portions of El Paso, Las Cruces. We were seeing a little bit of moisture making its way just across the border over here near portions of Sierra Blanca, a little towards Tornillo as well. But again, right now, all that moisture south of El Paso, Las Cruces. So we are dry at the moment, but we are still hanging on to rain chances. So today we are hanging on to about a 30% chance for rain. This is weaker than what we experienced this past few days. And then we're going to even get weaker than today in terms of our rain chances. So you can see your Tuesday through your Thursday. Following today, we are looking at about a 10% chance for rain. And then your Friday, we're going to see those rain chances pick back up at about 20%. But again, after today, these rain chances are going to continue weakening over the next few days. So take a look at our hour-by-hour breakdown. Now, this is just what one model is suggesting, but you can see the first half of your day leaning dry, not hanging on to strong rain chances. However, with a look at our future track clouds and precipitation model, this model pulling in some moisture right around your afternoon hours, giving you that chance for some rain. So we're seeing within the 12 o'clock hour, most portions of El Paso looking calm. Tornillo seeing that moisture. Las Cruces, El Paso leaning gloomy. In the 1 o'clock hour, starting to look at that spotty potential. And within the 3 o'clock hour, still tracking that moisture to the south of the border. So it looks like rain chances, again, are a bit weaker. But with those clouds, we could see that spotty potential. You can see now this model indicating a little closer to dinner time, we could see that spotty pop-up storm push through the region. And then Las Cruces into our evening hours, looking at a little more potential to see that rainfall. So here's a look now at your 7-day forecast. This is sponsored by Mattress Firm for your Labor Day. 89 with about a 30% chance for some isolated thunderstorms. Las Cruces also looking at that rain chance for today. 80s.
Thank you, Sarah.